Alright guys, what we have here is a Roccat Nyth. It's like a whole bunch of buttons on a mouse. 33 button combination, I guess you would say. I don't know. It's got a bunch of buttons. We're going to do a little opening on it and everything. This is the mouse before you get into it and everything. It's definitely, it looks like a really good mouse. I needed a new mouse because I do a little bit of MMO and I do a lot of shooter games. So I needed a new mouse that would maybe fit my style of play. So I have the Razer Naga right now, but we're gonna look at this one, check it out. It cost like $100 or so. Let's hope it's pretty good. Alrighty. First little thing out the box. Alright. First impressions of looking at the mouse. Oh my goodness, it looks so clean. Look how clean this mouse looks. Holy cow. I can't believe how clean this mouse looks. Just the looks of it alone look so good. The button layout. Wow. Just that button layout feels good. Plan on like changing this to like solid buttons or something. Then it's got this thing. Something to do with making the side bigger. Like big fat people like me, I guess. Makes it where it fits in your palm better, but that'd be too much for me. I wouldn't be able to grip it. I guess it keeps you from gripping the mouse, maybe. Not sure what's that for. But that one there feels so much better. Oh, Lord. This mouse feels insanely good. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Got the quick installation guide. Then we got a big case of some sort. Some sort of case. Don't think there's anything else in this. No, nothing else in that one. Alright, let's look at here. See what's in this case. This must be my buttons, I'm guessing. It's gotta be what my buttons come in. Alright. Okay, there's the buttons. You can also order special buttons. Say like you want this button right here to be like that, I guess. I don't know. You would go, will it go in there? I don't know. Whatever, I guess it won't fit in that thing. I was just trying to give you an idea. You can make like an L button, pretty much. You can make it like an L. You can make it like this. Here we go. You can order special buttons that would make it where it fits just like this. But yeah, that's the buttons. And you pretty much pop these out. Let's see how hard it is to pop them out. Should be like something. I think, yeah, that's a release. I thought it would release them. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh, maybe you do that. Oh, there we go, guys. You gotta do it all at the same time. Okay, that's cool. You gotta like turn it over, release them, then you let them all out. But, yeah, they just easily snap back in. You can snap them in however you see fit. I'm hoping this is picking up good because I have no clue. But guessing this would go this way. And that was supposed to be on top, I think. Yeah, I think this one would go up top. Yeah, but like I said, you can customize these buttons either way you want to go with them. Full customize. The mouse feels awesome. I'm telling you now, like it feels incredible. It's got doesn't feel like it's got any kind of drag. It's a, what was it? So 12,000 DPI, custom button layout, module design, 2 times hot wrapped side grips. Yeah, that means it's just 2 different side grips. 33 buttons and side grip carry case. Next gen driver system. Now, only thing to do is test it out. But see, I seen that it was approved by MOBAs, and I think I seen somewhere somebody said it was good for shooters as well. So I'm hoping it will work out good, because I have a Razer Naga right now. But yep, if you want to know anything else, just leave a question in the comments and I'll answer it for you. I'm about to hook it up and try it out. Wish me luck. Later, bros.